What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Play Store not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all press and hold on the Play Store icon and then click on this information icon. Now scroll down and click on storage. Now here clear the app data and cache memory of Google Play Store. So now click on clear cache option to clear the cache memory and then click on clear data to clear the app data. And after doing this, the Play Store will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then check your internet connection. So if your internet is working good or not. So to check this, open a browser and load a website. So if it's taking too long to load the website, it means your internet connection is not good. So first of all, fix your internet connection. But after fixing the internet connection, if Play Store is still not working, then the last option is try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon. Now click on restart and then again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, it will help you to fix Play Store not working issue. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.